Hi Beat Babes, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a detailed brow video on how I achieve my brows. To begin, I'm applying an even layer of milk of magnesia over the brows to block out any oils from the brows and have them last throughout the day. You want to wait till the product is dry before you move on to the next step. Now I'm going to take my brush and brush my brow hairs into place. To outline and fill in the brows, I'll be using the Nique dark brown waterproof eye pencil. You can use any pencil of your choice. You do not have to use the same one that I am using. And I'm going to start by drawing a line on the bottom of the brows, and you want to make sure that the line is directly under those hairs. And then I'm gonna go draw a line on the top and follow the shape of my brows. My brow hairs are sparse, so I'm going to create hair-like strokes using a light hand to fill in the brows. Now I'm going to create hair-like strokes in front of the brows to fill in, and then I'm going to take my brush and then I'm going to blend everything out. To clean up the brows, I'll be using this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the color 410. And I'm just going to take that with a flat brush from Morphe, which is the M224 brush. And then I'm going to use this to carve out the brows. As you guys can see, I'm taking my time and I am creating a line just to clean up the brows and make the brows nice and sharp. Once I'm done defining the brows, I'm going to go in with a blending brush and I'm going to blend out that concealer on the bottom. Now I'm taking my foundation color and I'm going to use this to clean up the top of the brows. You don't want to use a lighter concealer for the top of the brows because it will give you that halo effect. I personally don't like that, so I'm going to use a product that is closest to my skin tone, and I'm going to use that to clean up the top of the brows. You want your brows to look as natural as possible, but defined. Now that the brows are slayed, honey, I'm going to use my blending brush and I'm just going to blend out that product on the top of the brows. Yeah guys, I dragged the concealer down onto my eyelids because I'm prepping my eyelids for eyeshadow. If you're not going to be doing a makeup look, you can always skip this step, but make sure that you blend out that concealer really good underneath the eyes, or you might want to use a color closest to your skin tone if you're not going to be doing makeup, okay? Okay guys, we're not done yet. To further blend out the brows, I'm going to go in with that Go Brow eyebrow kit and a flat angled brush, and I'm going to take the two colors from this brow palette and blend out the front of the brows. You can also follow these same steps using any brow product, whether it's gel, pencil, powder, whatever brow product you prefer. You can use these same steps to create a detailed brow. now I'm using the powder to set the brows. Okay, Beat Babes, this concludes our brow tutorial video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. That's the whole purpose of doing this video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yes, look at those brows. They are on fleek, honey. Yes, period, okay? Period. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And join me in the next tutorial. Bye.